How to see TikTok chat history and recover deleted messages. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view your conversations and access old messages on TikTok. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the TikTok app and tap on Inbox at the bottom. Here, you'll see all your current conversations. Tap on any chat to view your messages and scroll through them. But if you don't see a conversation, it may have been deleted. To recover your chat history, go to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account. From here, choose Download Your Data. Tap on Request Data, and once it's ready, download the file to your device. Since I don't use TikTok, I don't have anything here, this is what it looks like. After downloading, look for the Direct Messages folder. This will contain your chat history, including deleted conversations. You can open the files to read your messages and recover important information. And that's it. That's how you can view and recover TikTok chat history easily.